Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another Diwali makeup tutorial. This is an ultra glam smoky makeup look that I have created. Though it looks like I have put in a lot of effort to create this look, it's not that complicated at all. This look is all about the blending. So if you're strong with your blending, you can achieve this look super easily. This smoky eye look will go perfectly with darker shades such as a darker shade of blue like I'm wearing right now, or even green or purple. So without wasting any more time, if you want to know how I achieve this ultra glam smoky makeup look, then please do continue watching.
You guys all know the drill, so I have cleansed my skin using the Dermavive Hydra cleanser, which is super appropriate even if you have sensitive skin types. It is very gentle and mild on the skin and clears all the dirt and impurity perfectly away from the skin. To moisturize my face, I'm going to use my Neutriderm Vitamin E Moisturizing Lotion, which is my absolute favorite to wear underneath makeup. So I'm just going to apply and massage the product all over the face and neck. And this moisturizer kind of helps in gripping your makeup properly onto the skin as well. So it's sort of a multifunctional moisturizer. I'm also gonna apply a little bit of sunscreen, well, a lot of sunscreen. This is the Sunstop Spf 30 sunscreen. So I'm just gonna apply that all over my face and neck and blend it out until it is completely absorbed and massaged into the skin. A sunscreen is super important even if you are indoors, so make sure you apply one. Now I'm going to begin with the makeup. First I'm going to take the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade dark brown, I guess. So I'm just using that to fill in my eyebrows. This is a very intense product, and also I went a little bolder for my eyebrows for this look. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, just creating bold, sharp brows. Now I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. This is in the shade medium beige, which is quite light on my skin tone, but this is what I was exactly willing for. So I'm just going to apply that all over the eyelids, as well as to clean under the bottom area of my eyebrows to make it look more sharper and defined, and also to make my eyeshadows pop more. So I'm just going to use my PAC 219 concealer blending brush to blend out the concealer. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Myst Cosmetics Drama eyeshadow palette here. This is one of my most favorite palettes. It is so pigmented, so rich, and all the shades that you would ever require to create any sort of makeup look is present in this eyeshadow palette. First, I'm going to pick up this beautiful burgundy brown matte eyeshadow on a tapered brush and apply that all over the eyelids under the crease of my eyes. And here you can see how well pigmented these eyeshadows are. Look at that. It literally looks like I put some gel eyeliner. It is that intense and pigmented on the eyelids, and it is very easy to blend as well. I love it. Then I'm going to take this beautiful warm deep brown shade called Leap on a blending brush and apply that on the crease, sort of to soften the edges of the deeper brown that I applied, and also this is going to act as a transition. So I'm making sure that it is well blended on the crease and that there are no harsh lines. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to take the same deep maroon brown matte shade that I applied earlier on a pencil brush and applying that precisely on the crease and making sure that the transition between the darker and the lighter brown is smooth and even. Then I'm going to move on to the face. The eye makeup is so simple, but it is very glam. So to prime my face, I'm using the Smashbox original primer. I'm just going to apply that on the main areas of the face and blend it out using my fingertips. This is a newbie and I think I really liked it. It kind of controls my oil as well as creates an even flawless base underneath your makeup, and also helps your makeup to last pretty long as well. To color correct, I'm using the PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shade Rusty Orange and apply that all over the hyperpigmented areas. So that is around the mouth area, on top of my acne spots, as well as under my eyes. To blend it out, I'm going to use the damp beauty blender and make sure that the color corrector is thinned out and take off any excess product away to avoid any cakiness. For foundation, I'm using one of the most beautiful foundations that is available in India. This is the Forever 52 Ultra Definition Foundation. It's such a beautiful, lightweight, dewy finish foundation. It has about light to medium coverage and it looks so beautiful on the skin. I don't know why more people do not talk about this foundation because it is so beautiful on the skin. So I'm just applying that all over the face using a buffing brush. I'm kind of going for higher coverage, so I'm just building up the coverage here until I'm happy, and also whatever is left on the brush, I'm just running that on my neck. To conceal my under eyes and to highlight my face, I'm using the same LA Girl Medium Beige Concealer. This is one of those classic concealers which is so good. It has a lot of coverage, very easy to work with and blend. I absolutely love it, and it is very long lasting as well. I'm using the same PAC 219 concealer blending brush to blend it out. Once that is done, I'm gonna set and bake using the Sugar Cosmetics All Set to Go Banana Powder. I also have a coupon code for sugar. If you're interested, I'll put the details in the description box. You can go ahead and check it out. So I'm just using that to bake underneath my eyes as well as around the mouth area, because this is where my foundation creases a little bit because of my smile lines. So I just secured it with loose powder. For eyeliner, I'm using the Sugar Brownbag Kohl of Honor Kajal pencil in a brown shade and applying that to my lower waterline thickly. You can also use a black, but I wanted a little bit of a softer effect on my lower lash line, so that's why I preferred brown. I'm also using the same kohl pencil to tight line my eyes as well, so that no flesh tones are peeking through my eyelids. I'm using the same deep burgundy brown shade on an angled brush and applying that all over my lower lash line precisely. Once that is done, I'm gonna take the same Leap shade on a pencil brush and just try to soften the edges of the deeper burgundy shade on my lower lash line, just to make sure that there are no harsh lines anywhere and the transition is even and smooth. Once the eyeshadow work is done, I'm just gonna brush off the excess powder away using a fluffy powder brush. This is from Nykaa, and also I'm using the same loose powder to set the rest of the face as well. I'm just using a light layer here. For mascara, I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara to my top and bottom eyelashes. This is such a great mascara, especially if you want a lot of volume and drama on your eyelashes. Definitely go for this. It is worth all your money. It's so good. For eyelashes, I applied these Fiume Beauty eyelashes in the style What Lashes. These are very dramatic, fluffy eyelashes. This is what I wanted for this look because I was going for all out and drama sort of an eye look. So that's why I prefer for having fuller lashes. Now to bronze up my skin, I'm going to use the Revolution Bake and Blot powder in the shade Deep Dark. Such a pretty warm bronzer, especially if you have a very similar complexion like me. You should definitely check this out. It is so beautiful on the skin. So I'm just applying that on the perimeters of my face, the areas where I usually apply bronzer, as well as to define the sides of my nose as well and under my lower lip. For blusher, I'm using this Kiro Beauty Glow On Blush Duo. This is such a beautiful blusher. I'm just mixing those two shades from the palette and applying that on the cheeks to add a nice flush of color to my face. I'll put the exact name in the description box. It is so beautiful. For highlight, I'm using the Mars Cosmetics Velour highlighter in the shade Gold, I guess. So yeah, I'm just applying that to the tops of my cheekbones. This is a very intense highlighter, so a little bit goes a long way. I'm also applying the same highlighter to highlight the center of my face as well, such as the cupid's bow, the chin, the bridge of the nose, and also the inner corners and my brow bone. Moving on to the lips, I'm taking the matte lip liner in the shade Chestnut, which is a very rich, deep, chocolatey brown shade of lip liner. I'm just using that to slightly overdraw my lips, and it's very creamy as well. For lipstick, I'm using the Maybelline Color Show Intense Crayon in the shade Rich Chocolate, which is a chocolatey brown maroon shade. So I'm just applying that all over the lips. This formula is also extremely creamy and highly pigmented, so it just glides on your lips. I'm not really sure if it is still available, but the formula is really good. On top of that, I'm going to use the Nykaa Demi Matte Lip Cream in the shade Basic, which is like this rusty brown, semi-glossy sort of a lip product. So I'm just applying that all over the lips just to make sure that the intensity of the previous lipstick is slightly toned down, because I thought it is too over the top for this lip, because my eyes are also bold, so I didn't want to go for a completely bold lip as well. So yeah. I'm also gonna add a lot of shine to my lips. This is the Sugar Cosmetics Time to Shine Lip Gloss. This is in a peachy shade, and applying that to the center of my mouth mainly to add that high shine effect. To set my makeup in place, I'm using the Revolution Glow Fix Setting Spray, just giving it a quick shake and setting my entire makeup in place. This is a dewy finish setting spray, so it's gonna add a little bit of more dewiness as well. I'm also spraying that on my neck and shoulder to add that glowiness. I put on my accessories and dupatta, and here is the final finished look. It's very glam and bold, but it really doesn't take a lot of effort because we literally use only 2 eyeshadows on our eyes. It is that simple. This look is all about the blending, so if you're strong with your blending, you can absolutely rock this makeup look. It is so good. It's a very bold makeup look for sure, but it is absolutely stunning. This is the look that I created for you all for Diwali in this video. All the products that I use in today's video will be listed in the description box. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Make sure to hit the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a new video on my channel. Also follow me on my Instagram. I'll put the link in the description box. Take care of yourselves. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali, and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye.